Today in my kitchen, I have just made this delicious batch of raw salted caramel Bliss balls. So if you're one of the people that asked for these, because I asked on Facebook and I posted a photo and said who would like these, and the response was overwhelming. If you're one of the people that asked for these, please do give this a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you try these. They're caramelly because I'm using dates to sweeten. Dates have a natural caramel flavour to them. And I'm also using a secret ingredient, lucuma powder. Lucuma is actually a fruit that grows in countries like Peru, and here we buy it in the health food shop or even a really good supermarket or online. It gives a delicious, delightful caramel flavour. You don't need a whole lot of it either. So remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give this a thumbs up and let me know how you get on. So let's go take a quick peek in my kitchen and see how ridiculously easy they are to make. So the main nut in this recipe is almonds. You can use all almonds if you want. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of hemp seed in here as well. It needs to be shelled. You can swap out for sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, or walnuts and cashews if you like, or you can just use all almonds as per the original recipe. And then we're going to use dates. So if your dates aren't soft, like you can't squish them with your fingers, you want to just soak them for about an hour until they become squishable. And then I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of lucuma powder. Lucuma powder is a fruit that tends to grow in countries like Peru, and we tend to buy it in this country in a powdered, dehydrated form, and it has this delicious hint of caramel flavour to it. So once you've soaked your dates, just strain all the water off. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put my almonds and other seeds in, and I'm going to grind them down into a rustic meal. So it doesn't really take that long to do. See how it's nice and rustic. You can get it super smooth or you can get it rustic. It's going to work all the same. And then you want to put your lucuma powder in, then a nice generous pinch of sea salt. Pop in your dates, and then you want to blend it up. You can see how quickly everything comes together like that. So it's nice and squishable. So that's absolutely fine. You can process it down even more if you want, but give it a little taste to make sure that you're happy with it. And then we're going to roll it into balls. So you want to grab a small amount and then get it in your hands and squish it together. Roll it, roll it, roll it. There you go. How easy is that? There you go. And with that amount, you're going to get about 20 raw salted caramel Bliss balls. Yummy. So thank you for tuning in. I do hope that you try these. If you do, let me know how you get on and ask any questions in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.